So, good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to today's webinar. We are delighted to have you here for an insightful and exciting session. To begin this program, I would like to invite Shreya Suraj to deliver the welcome speech.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all my guests, teachers, and fellow participants. My name is Shreya, and I'm honored to welcome you today on the wonders of the rainforests. Rainforests are among the amazing ecosystems on Earth, and they are home to incredible planets and animals. And today's webinar will take us on a fascinating journey on these lush green forests, helping us understand their beauty, importance, and the need to protect them for our future generations. We are delighted to have all of you look forward to learning the insightful presentations and discussions ahead. On behalf of Reeha's, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone joining us today. Without further ado, let's begin our exciting exploration of the wonders of the rainforest. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our session.
Thank you, Shreya, for your warm welcome speech. Now it is time for the most anticipated part of today's session. Our topic for today is about rainforest, unveiling the secrets of the rainforest. To guide us through this journey, we have Fatima Reeha. We are honored to have her with us today. Without further ado, I invite Fatima Reeha to begin her presentation. Reeha, over to you.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
So, wonders of rainforest. What is rainforest? A rainforest is a thick, lush forest that receives a large amount of rainfall throughout the year. These forests are among the most diverse and important ecosystems on Earth, providing a home for millions of species of plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms. Rainforests are usually found in warm regions near the equator. Rainforests are known for their dense vegetation, tall trees, and rich biodiversity. Even though they cover only a small portion of the Earth's surface, they support more than half of the world's plant and animal species. And rainforests also play a vital role in maintaining the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, and helping regulate rainfall patterns around the world. Four layers of rainforest. There is four layers of rainforest. There are first one is emergent layer. The emergent layer is the highest layer of the rainforest. It consists of a few giant trees that grow above all the other trees, reaching heights of 45 to 17 meters, 150 to 20, 230 feet. These trees receive the most sunlight and face strong winds. Animals such as eagles, bats, butterflies, and some monkeys can be found here. The second one is canopy layer. The canopy layer is the thick leafy roof formed by the top of rainforest trees. It receives a plenty of sunlight and is home to the greatest variety of rainforest life. Many animals, including monkeys, sloths, parrots, toucans, snakes, and insects, spend most of their lives in this layer. The canopy acts like an umbrella, protecting the layer below. Then the third one is under, understory layer. The understory layer lies beneath the canopy. Only a small amount of sunlight reaches this area, so plants have large leaves to capture light. The air is warm and humid. Animals such as jaguars, tree frogs, insects, and small birds live here. Young trees and shrubs also grown in this layer. And the fourth one is forest floor. Then the forest floor is the lowest layer of the rainforest. Very little sunlight reaches the ground because the upper layers block most of it. Dead leaves, fallen branches, and plants decompose quickly, creating nutrient-rich soil. Animals such as ants, spiders, snakes, tapirs, and other decomposers live here and help recycle nutrition back into the ecosystem. Where are they found? South America, home to the Amazon rainforest. In Africa, the Congo rainforest. Southeast Asia, Australia, home to the Daintree rainforest. Central America, most rainforests are located near the equator where the climate is warm and rainy throughout the year. They are found in regions that receive high rainfall and plenty of sunlight. Wildlife wonders. Rainforests are home to a wide variety of animals. Some of the most famous rainforest animals include the jaguar, tiger, sloth, monkey, orangutan, gorilla, tapir, toucan, macaw, parrot, harpy, eagle, anaconda, boa constrictor, green iguana, chameleon, crocodile, poison dart, frog, tree frog, butterfly, leafcutter, and beetle, piranha, and electric eel. These animals live in different layers of the rainforest and have special adaptation that help them survive. Together, they make the rainforest one of the most diverse and fascinating ecosystem on the earth. Importance of rainforest. Produce oxygen for the earth, absorb carbon dioxide and help reduce climate change, help regulate rainfall and weather patterns, provide habitat for millions of plants and animals, source of many medicines and medicinal plants, provide food such as fruits, nuts and spices, prevent soil erosion and maintain soil fertility, support the earth water cycle, provide homes and resources for indigenous communities, help maintain biodiversity and ecological balance, supply natural resources such as timber, rubber, and oils, contain many undiscovered plant and animal species available for future research. Amazing plant life of rainforest. Rainforests are home to an incredible variety of plants and flowers. Some of the most beautiful rainforest flowers include orchid, hibiscus, ericonia, passion flowers, bromeliads, bird of paradise, dark ginger, anthuriums, rainforest lilies, and jungle geraniums. In addition to these colorful flowers, rainforests contain important plants such as kapok trees, rubber trees, and cacao trees, bamboo, ferns, lianas, banana plants, and palm trees. These plants provide food, shelter, and medicine for many animals and people. The rich plant life of the rainforest help maintain biodiversity and keeps the ecosystem healthy and balanced. Indigenous people and rainforest. Indigenous people are the original inhabitants of many rainforest regions and have lived there for thousands of years. They depend on the rainforest for food, shelter, and medicine and daily necessities. These communities have a deep understanding of the forest and use its resources sustainably without harming the environment. Indigenous people play an important role in protecting rainforests and preserving biodiversity. Their traditional knowledge helps scientists learn about medicinal plants, wildlife, and conservation by protecting indigenous communities and their rights. We also help protect the world's rainforest for future generations. Climate and season of rainforest. Rainforests have a warm, humid, and wet climate throughout the year. Temperature usually range between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. And rainfall is very high, often exceeding 200 centimeter per year. Unlike many other regions, tropical rainforests don't have four distinct seasons. Instead, they usually have wet season. That is, heavy rainfall occurs almost every day, helping plants grow rapidly. Then, dry season. Rainfall decreases, but the weather remains warm and humid. The climate of the rainforest stays fairly constant throughout the year, creating ideal conditions for a wide variety of plants and animals to thrive. Famous rainforests around the world. Several famous rainforests are found across the globe. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the largest rainforest in the world. The Congo rainforest in Africa is the second largest, while the Daintree rainforest in Australia, one of the oldest rainforests on the earth. These rainforests are rich in biodiversity and play a vital role in maintaining the Earth's climate. Famous rainforests: Amazon rainforest, South America; Congo rainforest, Africa; Daintree forest, Australia; Borneo rainforest, Asia. How can we help them? Everyone can help protect rainforests through simple action. Conserving forests today will help preserve wildlife and natural resources for future generations. Ways to help. Plant more trees, recycle paper and wood products, learn about rainforest conservation, spread awareness to others, support sustainable production, then reduce waste and pollution. Rainforest food chain. A rainforest food chain shows how energy moves from one living thing to another. Plants use sunlight to make food, herbivores eat plants, and carnivores eat other animals. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil. Example food chain. Plants, insects, frogs, snakes, eagles. Importance: maintain ecosystem balance, support biodiversity, helps nutrients cycle throughout the forest. Amazing animal adaptation. Rainforest animals have a unique adaptation that helps them find food, avoid predators, and survive in their environment. Many animals use camouflage to blend into their surroundings. Some, like monkeys and sloths, have strong limbs for climbing trees. Others, such as poison dart frogs, use bright colors to warn predators. Example of adaptation: camouflage for protection, strong tails and limbs for climbing, sharp claws for gripping trees, bright colors to warn predators, excellent night vision in some animals. Strangest plants. Rainforests are home to some of the world's strangest and most fascinating plants. These plants have unusual shape, colors, and survival strategies. Rafflesia produce one of the largest flowers in the world. Pitcher plant traps and digests insect inside its pitcher-shaped leaf. Corp- Corpse flower, famous for its strong odor similar to rotting meat. Monkey face orchid. Its flower resembles a monkey's face. Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant that catches insects. Ghost orchid, a rare orchid that appears to float in the air. Threats to rainforest. Rainforest faces several threats that harm plants, animals, and the environment. Deforestation. Trees are cut down for farming and development. Climate change changes weather patterns and temperature. Illegal logging. Removing tree without permission. Mining damages forest land and water sources. Forest fires destroy large areas of rainforest. Habitat loss. Animal lost their homes and food sources. Protecting rainforest is important to preserve wildlife and keep our planet healthy. Interesting facts about rainforest. Cover only 6% of Earth's land, home to over half of the world's species. Help produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Some trees grew over 60 meters tall. New species are discovered every year. Rafflesia is one of the largest flowers. Picture plant trap insect for food. Sloths spend most of their lives in trees. Toucans have large colorful beaks. Poison dart frogs use bright warning colors. Many medicines came from rainforest plants. The Amazon is the largest rainforest. Thank you.